Hi, my name is Becky. Welcome to the beauty of symmetry in Chinese calligraphy. In this lesson, we are going to learn this character. And in simplified character, it's like this. It pronounced as zhēng, which means fight or quarrel. Why this character comes to fight and quarrel? If you look at this character carefully, you will realize that on the top, it's more like this. It's a hand, right? And on the bottom is another hand, like this. So it will be, it will be like this, and then like this. So though these two hands don't really look like that, but both of these two parts are symbolized for hands. So two hands are fight for something. So that's why it comes like this. So this means fight or quarrel. Okay, now let's look at the 4 characteristics in Chinese calligraphy. First one, symmetry. When it comes to symmetry, we look at the bottom part. The left part and the right parts on the two sides are nearly the same. And then average space. So you can see these and these are nearly the same. And when it comes to like these 4 small spaces are also nearly the same. And the space or the distance between these 3 horizontal strokes are also nearly the same. Okay, number 3, thick lines. I always say thick lines. When we say thick lines, please use like about maybe 1/4 to 1/3 of your brush. If you are using a brush which is about 4 to 5 centimeters long. Okay, drifting long line. So if you imagine that the jazz in the summer, the jazz flow in the wind, that is how it comes from, this kind of feeling. So these last two are Master Wu Rangzhi's Chinese calligraphy style. And the first two are xiaozhuan style. So no matter which calligrapher, these two, like symmetry and average space, are very obvious in xiaozhuan style Chinese writing. Okay, now in this part I will show you how to write with a marker. So this part will focus more on the order of how to write it, and in next part I will show you with a brush. Okay, now this one is a little bit different. We start from here and then move here. So you can see clearly there is a connection here, right? Okay, so we write from here and then to here, and that connect well. Okay, here. So we need to stop a little bit here. And then like this and like this. Okay, and here and here again and again. I will write this first. I will write the middle one first, and then I write this one. You can also write this first and then this one. It doesn't really matter. But the point is, if we want to write this and this, keep some blank here. You can see from here. So this part is not really connect to this one, right? And also for the long line at the beginning, it's stronger and then weaker and then stronger, and then gradually lift up your brush tip, and so that's why it becomes this. And we also pay attention to these 3 beginning: round, a little bit square. So To keep the changing of the strokes is very important in Chinese calligraphy. Okay, now I will show you how to write this character with a Chinese calligraphy brush. Okay, now, do you know how to write this character with a Chinese calligraphy brush? This is Becky's calligraphy lesson, The Beauty of Symmetry in Chinese Calligraphy. You are welcome to share my course to your friends and family. And in next lesson, we are going to learn this character. Okay, see you in next lesson.